Startup Factory helps facilitate essential professional services to newly formed businesses at no cost. Services such as accounting, IT support, marketing, web development, branding, mentorship, funding, and much more are provided by established business experts in their respective fields. These services are provided to startups by invite-only vendors. We work exclusively with businesses that have a good reputation and track record of providing high-quality services. We invite established company owners as vendors to an interview that will be recorded in audio, video, and transcribed into text. This allows business owners of established firms to talk about their business and to offer important insights in their field that other entrepreneurs could benefit from. Vendor companies will receive valuable backlinks to increase their SEO, search engine optimization, and content that can be repurposed into short videos, articles, and audio that can be posted on their own social media or website. This is content marketing on steroids. All that we ask from the vendors is to pledge some of their services to the startup companies to use in the early stages of building a business. An example could be setting up an LLC and licenses, developing a basic logo, printing a sample of business cards, or developing a basic marketing strategy, and much more. The idea is that these startups will not only spread the word about the vendor company, but they could become long-term paying customers. Help other entrepreneurs, promote your own business, and give back to the community with Startup Factory.